Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. In this video, we will see how to download notebook in Jupyter Notebook. To download a notebook in Jupyter Notebook, open the notebook that you want to download. Okay, and there are two ways by which you can download the notebook. So the first way is to download as Jupyter Notebook. For this, click on File and click on Download. So this will download the notebook in the notebook format, which is ipynb. Okay. So now if you go to the downloads folder from Jupyter Notebook itself, you can see that the create cell ipynb notebook has been downloaded. So now we can open this. Okay. So this is the same notebook. So this is the same notebook that we have downloaded. It is also downloaded in the same format, which is the Jupyter Notebook format, and the extension is .ipynb. Okay, so there is other way to download the notebook. So we can also download the notebook in other formats. So for this, click on File, and here we have Save and Export Notebook As, and we have all the other formats in which we can download the Jupyter Notebook. So we can download it in the HTML format, Markdown, PDF, Executable Script, etc. Okay, so first let's download it in the HTML format. So this will download it as a HTML web page. Okay, the extension is .html. Okay, now let's download it as Markdown format, which is used for documentation. So it will be of extension .md. Okay, now let's download in the same way in Executable Script. So Executable Script will download the file in .py format. Okay, so this converts all the code cells into a Python script. So let's click on Executable Script. Okay, so this downloads in the .py format. Okay, so this downloads it into a Python file. So these are some of the formats in which you can download the notebook. So let's go to download. Okay, and here you can see the various formats in which we had downloaded the file. So we have the HTML format, the Markdown format MD, and the Python file. Okay, .py. So let's open the HTML file. So if you open the HTML file, so this is in the web page format. Okay, so all the data that we have in the notebook is displayed in the HTML format. So Markdown MD, let's open this file. So this is downloaded the file in the Markdown format. So this is used for the documentation. Okay, so this is one format. Next, we had downloaded in the Python file format. So let's open this. So here we have the file, which is a Python script. Only the code cells is converted into Python script, and rest all of the lines has been commented. Okay, so these are some of the formats by which you can download the notebook. Okay, so this is how you can download notebook in Jupyter Notebook. I have also prepared a reference guide on how to download a notebook in Jupyter Notebook. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.